Hello, my name is Gilbert Brandt, and this video is Best Marketing Agency in Iowa. Now, if you want to get your business on the front page of this Google 3-pack, I can do that. If you want to get your business on the front page of Google. Now, this guy made a video, and you'll see he's number 3 on the front page of Google for the Best Marketing Agency with a video that he put up. Now, let's click over to video quick like, and you'll see that this guy is number 1 for the best marketing agency in Iowa. Now, I'm just currently making this video, but I'm sure I'll probably outrank him. Either that or I'll be second. Let me show you some of the work I've done. If you go here, Video Business Marketing Expert, you'll see that I'm on the front page. This is a video that I made that is on the front page. There's my video at second. You'll go over here to videos, and you'll see that I'm number 1 and 2. Now, if you put in Iowa here, this is what you call a long tail keyword. You'll see that I also rank. There's my video. It's not number 1 for Iowa, but you'll go back here and you'll see that Video Business Marketing Iowa, I'm number 1 and 2 on that. Now, I'll give you another example here quick like. If you hit resume, Google Business Marketing Expert, you see that's got 35 million results. You go to video, and I'm number 1 and 2 on that. Now, let's just take off the resume, make it into a shorter tailed keyword. You'll see that I'm number 1 and 2 on Google Business Marketing Expert. This is a national ranking. This is all the way around the world. You scroll down here, and you'll see there's my video. It's like number 3. What I'm really proud about here is you look right here. This is Neil Patel, one of the foremost guys in business marketing, digital marketing, and I outrank him on the front page of Google, and I also outrank him on the videos. Matter of fact, he's not even in the top 4 for that. But if you need to get your business on the front page of the 3-pack or on the front page of Google, give me a call. Thank you.